What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day, and today is going to be another challenge store update. So if you don't know already, I did a challenge series on my YouTube channel where I showed building a store and making sales. So you can go watch that. It's actually in a separate playlist. You can go watch all those videos if you want to. But today's going to be an update on the store and overall just me talking about the store and how maybe it'll help you guys out and make some more sales. And there's Gibby doing a little stretch. But if you didn't know already, I am giving away the store. Once it hits $100,000 in revenue, I'm going to be doing a raffle type of giveaway where I give it to one person, and then I'm going to fly them out here to my warehouse, teach them everything to make sure they can continue to make money off of it. And then that'll be that. It'll be pretty fun, and that person will get a lot of knowledge and hopefully a lot of money that comes with the store. So one thing I want to talk about really quick is that I know a lot of you guys want to win the store. You're trying to figure out how do I enter, and right now there are no specific details on how you can enter. But one thing I can say is that you need to be active on all my videos. I noticed that I get a lot more views and a lot more engagement on just these challenge update videos. I'm gonna start doing them more often, but it's sort of hard to make a video every day when it's not too much change. It's not like the stock market where I can show everything changing every single day. There's just certain variables that stay and remain the same over long periods of time. I post every single day, so really what you have to do is just remind me of your face and your name and that you're continuously supporting me, so I know when it comes date to pick the winner. I'll pick a list and see, oh yep, all these 20 people right here, I've seen them comment and like all my videos for the past 2 weeks, whatever it is. But now let's actually go on my computer. I want to show you some of the store and what's going on with it, and then talk to you about how you can make more money throughout Facebook ads and just drop shipping overall. And one thing really quick, guys, I am sick right now, so my eyes look like I'm really tired, and I got a very short haircut, but it is what it is. So let's go on my computer now and look at this. I made like a pimped out plastic table. So basically all my work is done on this little plastic table. I don't have anything fancy. I put LEDs under there and then they fell down, and then I got 2 of these giant speakers, and then a laptop. Very basic, but it's effective. That's all I need to get my work done and continue to make money with my businesses. So right now it is almost 12 o'clock, as you can see, in the afternoon, and only $500 in sales, which is not good. Relative to other things, that's good, but the conversion rate right now is not good, and just the sales overall, it's been doing a lot better than that. All the ads were being ran just through the Facebook page. So if you don't know, when you're running Facebook ads, you run through Instagram feed and Facebook feed, and when it goes through Instagram feed, you have the option to put your Instagram, add your Instagram account on there, so it runs through there instead of just the name. If it's just a Facebook page name, they can't click on it to see anything, so it just shows the name there and it's running the ads. So what I did yesterday was I reset all the ads to promote through the actual Instagram account. And what I didn't realize is that I had to put all of the ads back in review, and now my Facebook ads manager has to re-optimize all of these ad sets and campaigns that I have going. So it's sort of annoying, which is why it's starting off slow today. Those reset at about 2 in the morning last night. It's just something I have to deal with. I know it'll build back up over time because I have some good products that I've been selling a lot of. So let's go ahead and head on to my store. I'll show you some of the ads and one product I found that is really good. So for those of you that don't really care about anything, you just want to see the numbers, here you go. $500 in sales today, very low conversion rate. Live store visitors is good, but it shouldn't be that high, with the type of ads I'm running. So if we go here, we can go yesterday. Yesterday was the best day so far. $2,161.50 with 48 orders. It was a pretty good day based on a good product I found that is very high ticket. Sold a few of those, as well as just average good day. 48 orders. The conversion rate was about 1.7%, which is not the best, but it's good enough to make sales with it. So now I'm expecting it to do, over 2K a day. Well, once these re-optimize about the Instagram thing, I know it'll do way better, just because I know that with running through the actual Instagram page, it'll make me a lot more money. And if we go to the week, 5.4K. If we go for the month, we're looking at almost 13 grand. So almost 13 grand for the month, which is pretty good. My goal is 15 grand, and we're definitely gonna surpass that. I'm gonna estimate we're gonna hit 30 grand now based on the ads I have running and the products I'm running. We're still cold testing, always testing products until we find that one winner that actually makes a ton of money. So we're continuously finding new things in case one stops selling. You know, you never want to put all your eggs in one basket. That sort of relates with running ads on Facebook. So now let's actually go to my ads manager. And one thing that I've realized that's been happening lately, I realized it about 4 days ago now, is that my Facebook ad account is not actually tracking everything properly. And I'm not sure exactly how to fix this. I've talked to some of my friends to try and figure it out, but there's no real true way to fix this issue. So basically what I mean is that my Facebook ad account is not tracking all of the sales that it's making and all the conversion value. So today, an example in my ad account manager, it says we've made $400, but we've really made $456. You know, that's not a huge difference, but when it comes down to it, that's messing up all the product orders, the cost per purchase. But the days before, it's actually been a lot worse. Like yesterday it was 2.2K in sales, and it only tracked about 1,700. So when looking at my ad account, it makes it sort of look bad because it doesn't show the full ROAS, it doesn't show the true cost per purchase and everything that's going on, which, you know, it doesn't really affect it too much because I'm still getting sales, more sales than the ad account thinks I am. But in the long run, it's sort of annoying to not be able to track my stuff properly through the ad account. But let me show you guys this one product. I'm not going to show you the product, but I'm going to show you the ad account right now of this new product. I'm just cold testing it right now that I found about 2 days ago, yep, or actually 3 days ago, and it's a high cost. You know, it's $78 to buy from AliExpress, from a trustworthy supplier with a good rating that ships it out, you know, super fast and gets it shipped within a week. And then I'm selling it for about $200. So I have about $100 margin after I pay for the DHL shipping, so it's, you know, shipped fast. Because with these higher ticket items, you want to make sure they're shipped fast and shipped properly. You don't want to have someone pay $200 for an item and then have to wait, you know, 30 days to get their item. So that's why I'm using through the supplier DHL shipping, which is a lot faster and really just overall better for the customer, better tracking and everything like that. But I've been running some cold testing ads, and I want to show you here on the ad account the sales I've gotten from and how much the cost per purchase is for such a high ticket item. So as I said, I'm just doing cold testing with just one interest at $20 per day for this $200 item, almost $200. And as you can see, the cost per purchase, $10, you know, remaining about $10 at each of these ad sets. So 2 purchases on each of them. This is from yesterday, not even today. So basically we spent $20 and made almost $400, $360 with an 18 to 19 ROAS just from cold testing interest. So once these start to scale up and run for more than a couple days, it's going to get more sales on all of these ad sets, and then it's going to end up having crazy lookalikes where hopefully we'll make a ton of money from it. And I've got a connection with the good suppliers, so we have everything shipped out super fast. We have really good quality control, and if not, then everything gets refunded and it's not a big deal. So that's one of the recent products that I found a few days ago, like I said, and I've just been testing it to see sort of if it sells or not. I didn't expect it to sell at this low of a point, but since it did, I'm pretty excited to see where it goes in the future. And one more thing I want to talk about is that right now, through my AliExpress suppliers, I am getting good deals, you know, better than the average price that you find on the listing. And what I've been doing is, after I fulfill a few orders, I'll message the supplier and be like, hey, you know, we're gonna be putting in more than 10 orders a day or 20, whatever it is, and I ask for a lower price. Basically, I tell them a price. Let's say they charge $20 for the item on their AliExpress listing. I'm gonna tell them, look, I want it for $12. And most of the time they're like, you know, that's too low, we'll do 15. And then they send you a special link where you can integrate it through Oberlo and then fulfill through there, and you're gonna save a lot more money, which then makes your margin bigger, which then leads to you to be allowed to have a higher cost per purchase while still making the same amount of money, or just keeping the same cost per purchase and making more money. So it's really just a win-win situation when talking to suppliers. You know, making that connection with suppliers is good, just to make sure that relationship where they ship everything out super fast and they give you a good deal on that specific item. So really it's just about the relationship and building everything together. So that's sort of what I've been doing for this store. So once the winner gets a store, then they're gonna have a solid business that is continuously making money. So guys, make sure right now, what I want you guys to do, if you wanna win the store, is just comment below and like this video, and continue to do that. You know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then turn on post notifications. When I post a video, I want you to like it and comment. Let me know that you wanna win the store and you wanna be a part of this brand and making a lot of money. So I'm super excited for where this store is to go and what it's doing in the future. Like I said, we're gonna hit 15 grand for the month probably within 2 days after these ads re-optimize. And then after that, I'm expecting about 30K in sales this month. And as far as profit goes, I've had some issues with Shopify payments paying me. They are now holding 25%. It's a long story. I might talk about it later on. But basically, a Shopify rep has like a personal thing against me. So he was holding my payments for like 2 weeks. They are holding over 10 grand. Then he finally released it, and now they're holding 25% for 3 months because he said I have a high level of risk for chargebacks, which is not true because I have a really good support team or customer support team, as well as my suppliers ship out very fast. And, you know, we can deal with all those things and make sure the chargeback rate is, you know, less than 1%. So that's sort of annoying that happening now. That 25% is about the profit of what I would be getting is now being held for 3 months. And yeah, guys, so the margin right now is about 25% profit, which is not bad based on the sales. But I do want it higher. You know, once we stop cold testing and start doing just, you know, more growing the products that are already doing well, then that number will rise. But really, it sucks right now breaking even and just having all the profits sit for 3 months within Shopify payments. I hope to get that fixed soon though, because I do have connections with people that are, you know, pretty high level in Shopify. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more about the store, just let me know what it is in the comments and I'll take a look and maybe I'll film that section. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.